Welcome to House of Diamonds. I wanted to show you what makes House of Diamonds unique from 99% of other jewelry stores, and that is that we make everything here. We're a full manufacturer, and we allow our customer to be part of the manufacturing process. Ever since my brother and I were little kids, our grandfather always told us that we could be whatever we wanted to be. But no matter what you were, to be the best at what you were. My grandfather was a baker, so he said, if you want to be a baker, be the best baker. Well, we decided to go into jewelry, so it's our mission to be the best at what we do. Our grandfather, he fed the community with baguettes, and we feed him with carrots. There's a common misconception that custom jewelry costs more than jewelry out of the showcase or stock jewelry, and that is incorrect. We have to make the piece regardless, so it doesn't cost any more to customize it. Typically how the process goes, customer comes in and we show them the different styles of settings that they can choose from, and then we show them the different kinds of metals they can use. And then they can mesh many different styles together to make something specific. The next step is we're going to go to CAD design. So we're going to design it on a CAD program, and then we can show that to the customer. And then the next step is we're going to save that file and we're going to send it to one of our 3D printers. 3D printers will print it, and from there we'll have a wax mold of the ring. Customers love to see what the ring is going to look like before it's made. From there we take the waxes and we put them into a biofuel, which allows the support material, which is the purple material, to dissolve and leaves us just with our blue material, our blue wax, which is the building material. From there, we're going to build a wax tree and invest it. So we're going to take dental investment, mix it with water so it looks like a pancake batter, pour it into the flask, which is where the wax tree is at, and allow for a couple hours for that investment to harden. Then we're going to take the rubber base off that flask, and we're going to put the flask in the oven. In the oven, that investment gets very hot, and that wax tree, it burns out, and it leaves empty little vacuum impression of that tree. And then from there, we take the flask out of the oven and we put it into our casting unit, which has a vacuum, so it's pulling, it's sucking, and it has centrifugal force, so it's turning, and it throws that metal inside that flask, and it fills up that empty vacuum. From there, we're going to take the flask out of the casting unit, and we're going to take the investment out of the flask, and now we have a metal tree. At that point, we're going to take off the branches off the tree, polish the metal, set the stones, polish the metal again, clean it, rhodium plate it, and that's basically how it's done. So now that you've seen the process, please come on into the House of Diamonds and let's start making your dream piece come true.